Welcome to another episode of Hoeing and Shit. My name is Kay, and this week has been hectic, but I wanted to put some content out for you because I've been, showing Facebook Live so much love this week. Sunday, 6 p.m., I will put out an episode every week. Right now, I'm doing a Late Night Hoe Report, and it's on Facebook Live at 11 p.m. So just putting that out there. Make sure you're following me on Facebook. Is at Hoeing and Shit. But yeah. Okay, bye. Oh, wait. New merch coming out soon. Backpacks, shirts, notebooks, all that is coming out. You can pre-order now and get 10% off. I will put the link in the description. It's at hoeingandshit.com where you can pre-order your stuff, and you got to use the code PREHO. Okay? I think that's it. Well, thanks for tuning in. I will see you next Sunday at 6. If you're on Facebook, I'll see you tonight at 11. Okay, bye. Come on, Ray. Come on, Ray. Oh, now you're doing too much. Oh, my is for girls' night, ladies' night, and I'm about to show you guys the Airbnb that we got, that we stand over in, sleep over. So we're gonna be talking about all kinds of shit. See, I don't even know what the topic is because I'm about to go with the flow. So it's going with the flow hoe, or sleepover hoe, ladies' night hoe, ratchet hoe, we kicking it. Okay, so I'm about to show you guys the place. She didn't got the master bedroom. I don't know how that happened. Look at her whole fucking shower.
It's bomb.
Okay, I got a shower too, but it's not as nice.
Bomb.
And walk-in closet. I'm like, shit, can we rent this another day?
For real.
Like how much can we rent it for? Okay, more stairs. I know, right? There's a sink and a mini bar. Yes. And we on the rooftop.
Just gotta put some money aside for me.
Yes. What you guys doing?
Oh my God. Hey, you want lunch?
Oh, what you doing?
I better win.
Look, bitch, I'm a star, got these niggas wishing. He say he hungry, this pussy the kitchen. Yeah, that's my dog, he gon' sit down and listen. Call him a trick and he don't get a hold up. Bitch, I'm a star, got these niggas wishing. He say he hungry, this pussy the kitchen. Yeah, that's my dog, he gon' sit down and listen. Call him a trick and he don't get a opinion. You know it's very expensive to daily. I'm on some pimp shit. Hey, he say you all about money. Yeah, how like cash shit. I'm in my bag, bitch. I'm on your ass, bitch. I'm in that new shit. You know that last year. Bitch, I knew that. I've been sipping, it's the only thing that's keeping me on fire. Me on fire.
I've been drinking. Watermelon. I mean, I have been drinking.
She been drinking.
Game. I have no idea.
do say so myself. If I do say so myself. If I do say so myself. Nobody wanna be in the video with you?
Nope.
Oh, it's all that. Okay, you cute or whatever. All this chocolate and shit.
Bye.
Why you leave me by myself?
I'm just here to be cute. I'm gonna put this back in the freezer.
Yes, trippy hoe. Hey, hey. I'm not wearing this shit. Look at Michael looking. Oh no, I can't do all that. Hey, hey. You have to take shots, okay? Every time that nigga breathes. Woo! Breathe! Hold up. I didn't breathe. I didn't breathe. Say that. Look up. I'm dropping my shit. Yeah, because I'm down there to the top. Look at I can't even tip it. Bow. I'm not. I'm sorry. You want hand wash? Gang, you gotta get out. They fucked up my shit. Why? Oh my god. Why am I back?
She trying to put it under my kitty, y'all. Wait, why she put it under the phone in the camera, you bitch? Why she put it
Work all night.
Oh, here.
Hold on, I got you. There we go. She lying. She What song?
That's the sound.
Oh, wait, we got Shirley over here. Wait a minute. Right? Oh, shit. Oh, here go Kay. Take the jacket off. I mean, the robe off.
No, take the robe off. Take the robe off. Come on, Kay, take it off.
Looks like I have more ass with the robe. Look at the money. Look at the money. This motherfucker said all the hood rats popping out. Bye, Lavon.
So cold, I think I'm done.
Why is it to me?
She gon' die.
I am not doing that.
Okay. All right. Okay. All right.
And my bitch went to 15 at the Maybelline. I'm the black JB, the way these bitches scream.
I heard only because the edible
Makes me
never
scream.
get right.
I love that
Pretty
you know
little
it.
thing.
Scared. You cannot scare me.
Bitch, I know you ain't sleep.
Scare me.
I know you ain't sleep.
I watch too many scary movies. What you doing? Nothing. What you doing? My phone good on 85%.
Ooh. Just plop right there.
Just take it.
Oh, see, I can't do all that. I got bad knees. Ain't nobody doing that.
Okay.
If I get on it, I own it and take it. If it ain't good, then I ain't finna fake it. You fuck like a rabbit, grew up and stop playing. I need a nigga with stroke. Hey, I wanna put it on board.
We gonna lock this door. You know, that's the signal.
It's so pretty. Teresa, baby.
So stupid.
If there's anything you need to talk about, Teresa, baby, let it off your chest, Teresa, baby.
Why is she pacing like this?
She pacing back and forth. Hey, back and forth.
And she talking to us.
Ooh, look at all this chocolate.
Oh, girl, hey!
Look, a bitch looking a little tall.
Look at my legs. They long as fuck.
Look how long her legs look.
Girl.
Look, they look long. They look like.
It was 270 round trip for a little booth flew here for her birthday last weekend. 270 round trip.
Yeah. Take us on
Let me book now.
Those are mine.
Oh, these are cute as fuck.
Thank you.
My place, yeah, good. Know where I'm from, let them know I'm still hood. I ain't had to get nobody hit, but I could. Before I post a pic, should I flex? Yeah, I should. I ain't got a word about shit, money good.
Kay, what the fuck are you doing? What are you doing?
Here's your chance. I say left cheek, right cheek, drop low, that's wine. Texas up in this time. It's rolling this
She fucked up. Baby, you don't feel my pain. I can't argue with these lazy bitches. I just raised my price. I'm a beater. I pull up in my two-seater, and my mama was a savage. I got that shit from Tina. I'm a savage. Ratchet.
Like to stay with the niggas. You be like, damn, how that thing moving in the jeans. Even D4L couldn't do it like me,
Bitch, you my boo. Oh, get it. I'm a savage. They do be fucking it up in the video though.
They asking for the queen about some cameras here. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage, no comparison here. I'ma flip my hair and look back while I twerk in the mirror. I'm coming shut up out the dirt. With the whip on my skirt. My brain was working. All these curves. Fly like a bird. Hold on like birds. Always keep my word. No, I don't do crosswords. Tell you when I ain't living like most of here. I hop that shit the way I hopped up this live. I pop my shit now. I pop again. I pop the club now. You pop these in.
Yeah. fuck is you doing? I was like, this bitch about to do a split.
Why did she follow when I was in Malibu?
Okay, DeMonica.
Black Lives Matter. All day, have y'all got out here and been protesting? What y'all been doing? What y'all go to Campbell?
You know what I've been doing every night?
All day.
I've been hoeing and shit, you know, but I'm not a hoe though. That's what I've been doing. I've been hoeing it down.
For the culture, too.
You know, I've been hoeing it down. You know, I gotta give them some type of entertainment.
For the culture. What about you, DeMonica? What you been doing?
I've been to Chaz or Chop or whatever they want to call it these days. In
How
the
you feel
beginning,
about the lack of black people? Can we talk about that? Or
there's a reason why there's a lack of black people.
Yeah.
Because now it's gentrified.
yeah, so
There's a lot of people missing the mission. Once the Seattle Police and the National Guard gave up the East Precinct, pretty much they took that as a victory. That is not a victory. That was only the beginning, okay? And that is when things, I feel, just kind of went left and people forgot. They saw it as a victory and they forgot as to why they were out there in the first place.
And
it
white people
upset
started
me.
white peopling again, which you guys should not fucking do. You guys should let the black people lead instead of white peopling. And I'm here to call all you white motherfuckers on your shit.
Okay, we're gonna let DeMonica finish talking.
Thank you.
Sorry, Monica.
But yeah, no. You know, it's really disappointing to see how things have shifted. For me personally, and for a lot of people, they're not letting black voices be heard. They're not letting them lead. And you know, a lot of people don't really know where this is going from here. And a lot of us are asking, what is the next thing? What is your plan from here? And no one has an answer. It's turned into this whole Capitol Hill block party. It's Pride Month. And, you know, I think I really feel that they need to sit down and they need to find a refocus.
yeah, for sure.
Absolutely. There were a lot of great people like Nikita Oliver that was up there, you know, doing her thing. And I don't know what Nikita is doing now, but Nikita is no longer at Chaz. You know, there's a reason. There's a reason why the leaders that were at Chaz are no longer going there. You guys have to ask yourselves, why are you here? What are you doing here? What is the plan from here? Because honestly, I really feel like it's going to fall. I really do. And then we're starting off at square one.
On my mind, I can't get around just what to do. We're in the closet here, need you.
Good morning, y'all. It is the morning after. We done had our ladies' night. Our bitches fucking tired as fuck. But, you know, I just wanted to thank y'all, you know, for tuning in. I had a bomb-ass time with some bomb-ass women. You know, we danced all night. We twerked all night. We talked about some niggas and some more shit. We got on Facebook Live and we talked about coming to you as a woman. We talked about stalking ass hoes. We talked about them crazy hoes. We even talked about, we even got real with it and we started talking about what's going on in our community because it's good to have that dialogue with people to go back and forth. But yeah, it's fun and shit to do all the whole activities, festivities, and all that stuff and kick it with your girls and shit. But we still talk about real life shit, like, you know, supporting our black men, supporting, you know, Black Lives Matter, you know, and all that. So we had a bomb time, drinks, smoking, you know, some edibles, food, all that. So it was bomb. I will do it again, but I'll be careful about
You got 3 sets of 15 each. So bam, this way. Alright, you wanna have a good baby. And these bits, man, we can rotate. Alright? Your goal should be to try to get this thing. Yeah. You just want to be able to
That's all. We in there. Hey, fitness sick. Here we go. Thank you,
Listen, we're in this together, okay? There we go. Y'all better talk through this. There you go. Keep working. Oh, she out here.
We made it.
They made it to another workout. Let's go. Yes. Good job. Oh, keep holding it. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow.
She better come on before she snaps this thing.
Right. You better tell her quit playing. Good job, ladies. Hey. Get it. Hey.
Hey. Wait, little booties matter. Got a little bit of movement back.
Everybody saw that. They saw that. After you get your two, you go over this side. Over here.